Number 5.
Meet water lily. Water lily uses water or wind to generate energy for your favorite devices. This portable turbine is easy to set up and is designed to work 24 hours a day in any weather, so you can even capture energy while you sleep. Set up water lily once and generate energy for your entire trip. Camping trips with family and friends were never easier. Stay charged this camping season with water lily.
Number 4.
Meet the next generation of fire with the Camp Stove 2, a portable wood-burning stove that creates smokeless flames while generating usable electricity so you can cook your meals and charge your devices all at the same time. Now with updated thermoelectrics, the Camp Stove 2 provides 50% more power than the Camp Stove 1 and incorporates an onboard battery so you can store your electricity for whenever you need it. The updated LED interface provides real-time feedback on what's going on inside and features 4 fan speeds to control the size of your fire. Integrate with BioLite accessories for a perfect camp kitchen that you can bring anywhere. And anytime you go off-grid with BioLite, you're helping us bring safe, reliable energy to households around the world. Clean energy is all around us. We just need the right tools to unlock it. Discover a smarter, cleaner campfire with the Camp Stove 2, part of the BioLite energy ecosystem.
Number 3.
Mobile technology changed the way you interact with your world. For the first time in history, you can communicate from anywhere, explore the unreachable, and earn your living outside of the office. At Evolutionware, we want to maximize this potential by giving you unlimited access to power generated by the sun and stored conveniently in your pocket. Our last Kickstarter, the Rapid Sol Gen 1, brought you the verified fastest and most reliable solar charger in the world. Now your Rapid Sol Gen 2 takes this vision to new heights, with all the same speed and convenience in a device that you can carry in your pocket, purse, or backpack. We want to show everyone that solar is faster and more efficient than old technology. So we made sure that your Rapid Sol will charge your devices faster than most wall adapters. And the onboard lithium polymer battery will conveniently store that power so you can save the energy for later. We are serious about our mission, so we made sure your Rapid Sols are 3 times faster than the nearest competition. Think of the potential to stay out longer for that perfect shot, or explore farther knowing you are only a call away from home. Think of what it would be like if you could do all of your office work from the beach. We are working tirelessly to maximize that potential. Our last campaign had a 100% fill rate, and we already finished production on the Gen 2. So we are guaranteeing fast delivery on our first 2,000 units. Your Gen 2 will charge all iOS and Android devices with a USB or USB-C connector, all mobile phones, and any 14-watt laptop computer. Your Rapid Sol also charges drones like the DJI Spark, action cameras like GoPros, and even DSLRs like the Sony A7s. And that's only some of the list. Think of all the other devices like USB fans at a festival, or your Nintendo Switch, and many more. The Rapid Sol Gen 2 is just the beginning. More than 1 billion people live without electricity. With your help, we can expand our offerings and create mobile power solutions for everyone on Earth. This is a lifelong commitment that starts by ensuring the quality and performance of all of our devices. We sincerely thank you for your support. Let's see how far we can push our horizons.
Number 2.
Solar paper is super small and slim, so you can conveniently carry the solar paper when traveling or even in daily lives, and use solar energy anywhere under the sun. It can fully charge iPhone 6 within 2.5 hours. Also, solar paper is the world's first solar charger that can auto-reset via comparison operator, so you don't have to worry about shadow or cloud on solar panels. Also, it allows users to know exact power amount via numbers displayed on the LCD screen. Various devices such as GoPro, external battery, Bluetooth speaker, digital camera, AA battery charger, flashlight, smartphone, and even tablet PC that requires more power can be charged by adding additional panels. Magnet connectors help to conveniently add or subtract solar panels.
Number 1.
As content creators and world travelers, Jackery portable batteries are essential to ensure we are ready to capture every moment. I will never leave home again without one.
If you like our video, don't forget like, share, and subscribe.